Cardano is about to test another major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now you can see on Cardano yesterday, we mentioned that we are probably going to be retesting this low at 42 cents, and that's exactly how it played out. You see the exponential moving averages started moving lower with this bearish engulfing pattern, breaking that support level that we mentioned that we cannot break around that 42 cent mark. And now we have successfully repeated and tested that bottom of this low M formation. Now that the M formation has been completed, what's next? Well, ideally what we're looking for is a possible bounce scenario right here at 42. But if we can't hold this level, then we will obviously be retesting the bottom of this larger move that happened on Cardano and hopefully retesting a support and bouncing from there. In my opinion, though, this is definitely a lot more bearish since we broke this level over here. Now, from that day, we've mentioned that if we break this major support level at 44 cents, ideally a lot of traders are going to be looking for that 41 cent mark for a pullback. And that's exactly how it played out, right? You see that the trade came down to 41 cents. We had that pullback, but now it's going to be probably retesting that major support level at 40 cents. The reason why that level obviously is so important is because of the previous wicks we can see. But other than that, it's also a very massive support level, right? Usually the prices tend to be like a magnet, so they will try to go to that support level if the 41 cent mark midterm support is broken. Now, there is something to know here, though, that we can see that we do see these wicks that are forming on the 4 hour, and they tend to hold quite well, right? We can see that we had this wick situation right over here. We had another wick right down here, and now we're forming the third wick. But usually on the third test, we do see a drop. But because it is the weekend, a lot of short traders might actually get caught over here, right? We might actually see another pullback and a possible move to the upside before finally closing all the stops and then coming back down to that 40 cent overall mark. Now, on the lower time frames, though, for Cardano, we can see that we are trending much lower, right? We can see that we have that rejection pattern on the exponential moving averages. We are not using the exponential moving averages like we were over here for support. We are now using them as resistance. So usually when this happens, you guys already know, tend to see a larger move to the downside. But where is Cardano really going to bounce from, right? If we do end up hitting that 40 cent mark, ideally we can't really presume that, yes, that 40 cent mark is going to be a perfect clean support bounce. The reason for that is if you look on the 4 hour, we've already bounced at that level once over here and twice down here. So on the third test, this could definitely be a capitulation candle and possibly be breaking much lower to that 30 cent level that we've been eyeing. Now, from the bullish case scenario, the bulls are going to have to hold this 42 cent level support. The reason is because we can see that the M formation has completed, and now we are finding some sort of support over here on the lower time frames. But at this level, it's going to become extremely risky, right? If we can't hold that support, we will be testing that bottom over here. But if we do hold this support level and we can somehow get above that 44 cent mark, the next take profit zone will be at the beginning of this larger move that started at 46 cents. That's where ideally the next take profit zone would be from a bullish case. But it's going to take a lot for the bulls because you can already see we saw multiple rejection candlesticks at that 44 cent resistance. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.